affairs discussion where we discuss important current affairs for the UPSC Prelims examination 2026. If you can hear me loud and clear, please do say yes in the comment box. Good evening, everyone. Okay, so guys, let's start our discussion. Okay, the very first topic is from international relation. Okay, China has started few global initiative which is very important for the next year prelims examination. The name of these initiative is basically Global Governance Initiative. Global Governance Initiative. Here we have various initiatives which China has started. One is Global Development Initiative. Global Development Initiative, which is a people-centered inclusive development initiative of China, which is focused on poverty alleviation, food security, public health, industrialization, digital connectivity, and infrastructure development in the global south, in the developing countries global south. Global Development Initiative, Global Development Initiative, GDI. Second initiative is Global Security Initiative. What is Global Security Initiative? It basically talks about peace and stability for human well-being. Peace and security for human well-being by respecting the sovereignty and territorial integrity of countries. The third initiative is Global Civilization Initiative. Global Civilization Initiative basically focuses on diversity and mutual learning. Guys, so these initiatives, Global Governance Initiative is about people-centered approach to governance. People-centered approach to governance, global governance. Okay. So guys, these four initiatives are very important. There will be a question. I'm telling you, definitely there will be a question on this. Okay. So we have the GDI, we have the GSI, we have the GCI, and we have the GGI. Okay. So four initiatives, guys. Can you name all four of them? How many of you can name all four of them? GDI, Global Development Initiative, Global Security Initiative, GSI, Global Civilization Initiative, GCI, and then we have the Global Governance Initiative. So this is a very important topic, guys. You may expect a question on that. You may expect a question on that. Okay, very high chances. Okay, guys, next thing, this Venezuela crisis where Donald Trump, okay, they have basically captured the president of Venezuela. Okay, so Venezuela is one country which is becoming very important. Today in the Hindu newspaper they have covered that this crisis which has happened in Venezuela is not going to be a big tension for India. Why this is not a big tension for India? Because India has been decreasing its oil imports from Venezuela. India just imports less than 1% of its oil from Venezuela. India imports less than 1% of its oil from Venezuela. India has been reducing its oil imports from Venezuela. Also guys, Venezuela has the largest reserves in the world, but it is only producing 1 to 2% of the total global oil supply. Why? Because guys, Venezuela does not have that kind of infrastructure, that kind of technology to take out oil. Okay, so although it has a lot of oil, it has the largest oil reserves, but it does not have the capacity to extract these oils. Okay, this is very important, guys. In Venezuela, the belt where oil is there, what is the name of the belt? Orinoco Belt. Orinoco Belt is the belt region of Venezuela where there is lot of oil. Okay, Orinoco Belt. This is a very important region, guys. It may be asked in the prelims examination. Please prepare Orinoco Belt. Okay, map work. This is a very important map work which you can expect, guys. Orinoco Belt. Also, guys, Venezuela has a territorial dispute with a neighboring country, Guyana. What is the name of the region, guys? Venezuela has a territorial dispute with its neighboring country, Guyana. What is that region, guys, which is having? Can anybody tell me? Anyone? Escubo region. Escubo region is the answer, guys. Escubo region is the answer. Escubo region. Okay. This is a very important topic. They may ask you Escubo region. Escubo region, guys. Okay. Next, guys, OPEC and OPEC plus. OPEC and OPEC plus. They can ask you what is OPEC and OPEC plus. Okay. So OPEC is basically a group of oil producing country. OPEC is a group of oil producing country. Recently, there has been a meeting of OPEC because OPEC, Venezuela is basically the member of OPEC, oil producing countries. And OPEC plus is what? When you add Russia and its allies, it becomes OPEC plus. Okay. When you add Russia and its allies to the OPEC, it becomes OPEC plus. So we have OPEC and then we have OPEC plus. This is too important, guys. Very, very important. Okay. So membership of OPEC is very important. How many countries are members of OPEC? Guys, Venezuela is member of OPEC, yes or no? Venezuela is member of OPEC, yes or no, guys? Venezuela, membership of OPEC, they can ask you guys, membership of OPEC. OPEC is headquartered in Vienna, Austria. OPEC is headquartered in Vienna, Austria. Vienna, Austria, guys. OPEC is, guys, it was started in the year 1960 by around 5 countries, Iraq, Iran, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Venezuela. Venezuela is the founding member of OPEC. Venezuela is the founding member of OPEC, guys. Very, very important. It's a founding member of OPEC. Baghdad Conference. Baghdad Conference. They may ask you who are the founding members of OPEC. Who are the founding members of OPEC? Very high chances. Guys, they may also ask you which country has opted out of OPEC recently. Can anybody tell me which country has opted out of OPEC recently? Which country has opted out of OPEC? The latest country to opt out of OPEC. Angola. Okay. So they may ask you which countries have left OPEC. Which countries have left OPEC, which is the latest country to leave OPEC. They may ask you this. So guys, I'm giving you this assignment. Every one of you, please prepare membership of OPEC, founding member of OPEC, and later on who joined OPEC and who left the OPEC. Okay, so all these 3 things are important. First of all, founding member of OPEC, Baghdad Conference. Who were the founding members? Founding members were Venezuela, Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Iran and Kuwait. Iraq, Iran, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Venezuela. Then they may ask you which are the present member. Who are the present member? Okay, 12 members, present members. And who has left OPEC recently? Who has left OPEC recently? They may ask you this also. Guys, Angola has left OPEC recently. Other countries which have left OPEC are what? Ecuador has left OPEC. Qatar has left OPEC. So they may ask you which countries have left OPEC. They may ask you this also. Okay. Very high chances. Very high chances. Guys, another topic which is very important today is LCA Tejas. Guys, LCA Tejas is 4.5 generation aircraft. Guys, LCA Tejas is completing 25 years. This is a huge achievement. It is a very important topic, guys. LCA Tejas is completing 25 years. 25 years. This is very, very important. 25 years. It's a 4.5 generation aircraft. This is a PYQ topic. UPSC has already asked question on LCA Tejas. Okay, this is a very important topic. You may expect a question on LCA Tejas. LCA Tejas completes 25 years. 25 years. Basically, LCA Tejas has been developed by Aeronautic Development Agency of HAL. Okay, DRDO. DRDO and HAL. Aeronautics Development Agency of DRDO and HAL. Both have basically developed this. Okay, LCA Tejas. It's a very important topic. It may be asked, guys. Very high chances that they may ask you this. Very high chances they may ask you this, guys. LCA Tejas. Okay. LCA Tejas has replaced which aircraft? Can anybody tell me? LCA Tejas has replaced which aircraft in India? Recently, India, okay, stopped using one aircraft. What is the name of that aircraft? Recently, India stopped using one aircraft. MiG. MiG aircraft. I hope you know MiG aircraft. Okay. Guys, one more topic which was the news was nanobots. Nanobots are used for cancer treatment, guys. They go inside the body and they go for precision drug delivery. Nanorobots, nanobots or nanorobots. Nanobots are used for precision medicine, guys. Very, very important. Precision medicine, nanobots, cancer treatment. Cancer treatment. You may ask, okay, they may ask you this question on nanobots. This is again a very important topic for the UPSC prelims exam, nanobots. So these were some of the important current affairs for today, guys. I hope you like the session. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. Take care.